place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
yeah.
Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, I'll live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sick.
Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing? Right, let me get my Zoom started here real quick.
Recording in progress. Recording stopped.
All right. Good morning, guys. My weekend was fine. Good morning, Matthew. I live in the United States.
Good morning. Welcome back.
Ooh,
How you
wait a minute.
doing?
Shoot. Okay, I think I made a mistake with this. Hold on. Let me restart Zoom real quick. A second. Shoot. Oh.
Recording in progress. Recording stopped.
All right. Good morning, Rachel. Oh, Faye, you're back.
Yes, how are you?
Good, and you?
Good. Did you miss me?
Of course, everyone missed you.
I was keeping one sneaky eye on you all. In between the cocktails.
I assume you had a good business trip.
Oh yeah, I took enough trades to make it business, absolutely. I'm just not sure that they'd classify it business yet on the quantity of profits that I have to date.
Good morning, Kim. Good morning, Ian. Alright, those of you on YouTube, as you guys are up now, don't forget to smash the like button. Let's get this to 100 likes real quick. What's my analysis of gold? As of right now, I see gold falling. So we'll see. Wait and see what gold truly wants to do. But for now, I see it falling.
So it looks like London has picked up in its volume a little bit this month, Abe.
Yeah, something like that. So we go, this is what I'm anticipating here. We break this minor support here, get some type of retest, and I think gold is going to come back to 1922 or it will head back down towards this demand here between 1918 and 1916. That's it good for us. So we wait and see.
Sorry, why do you feel it needs to retest once it's broken that low instead of entering before it retests?
Because it could be a fake out. Yeah, because we could actually cross this minor low right here and not actually close below it, and price pushes back up. It's still bearish on the higher time frame, but here is on the lower time frame is bullish. So in order for you to make sure we're not going to continue bullish, you need to make sure we break below this low and then wait for the retest of the new supply, and then you take a sell from there. Yes, we do have a double top here, which is obviously a sign that price was to fall, but we need more confirmation, because just because we have a double top or a double bottom does not necessarily mean price is going to have a trend change or a reversal. So just waiting for more confirmations. On Friday, gold, we had a similar setup on Friday with gold during London session, and we saved ourselves a loss on gold because we decided to wait for the minor low to be broken, see if we're going to retest, and then look to take a sell. And you guys know what happened with gold on Friday. The thing just went up, broke the high, and then just started ranging. So just need to wait for more confirmation. Is GJ not going to retest recent lows? I think we are rejecting this demand here. I was going to do that and I forgot. Okay, we're not at this demand yet, but I actually want go to GJ to actually keep falling. So for now, I'm just gonna leave GJ alone, because even if we get a rejection at this demand here, you still got this minor resistance right here to deal with. Right, you still get that minor resistance to deal with at 183.115. You can see you have multiple rejections there. It just means GJ does not want to push up. But if we do come back and tap this 15-minute demand, so if we do come back and tap this 15-minute demand, the only way I'm going to take a buy is if we get something like this. So now we are falling, we get to this demand, reject, push up, come back down, reject again, then I'll look to take a buy back to this resistance at that point. So basically I'm gonna wait for kind of like, we might get exactly a double top, or we might get a new candle breaking the previous low that's formed, just to grab liquidity below this previous low, and then we can still look to take buys back to these highs, and GJ might even continue to 183.917 or to this supply here, because we've not really had a deeper pullback since market open with this downtrend we're having right now. So we just have to be patient and see what the market wants to do. So patience. GJ is still bullish on the higher time frame, obviously, but on the lower time frame we're falling, and also on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame we have We do have a bearish momentum. Forget all these multiple lines you see here. So we have a bearish momentum here on the daily time frame. And if you look to the left on the daily, you have all these, gaps to fill. So there's a chance we could come back down to 180.483 and then push back up. So between 181.381 to 180.483, we should see DJ trying to push back up from there. And that means you still have enough peak range. You have about 100 to 250 peak range here on GJ based on the daily time frame. So you get a bearish momentum on GJ even on the daily, but overall it's still bullish. So you gotta be very careful. Should you hold yourselves? I mean, if you're in profit and you've secured already, yes, hold yourselves. Like I said, in my opinion, we get a bearish momentum in GJ. Yeah, so yeah, hold yourselves. If you're in profit and you've secured, yeah, hold yourselves. I'm not gonna sit there and say yes, I trade ICT concept. I don't trade ICT concept the way I trade. People have been trading like this. People have been trading supply and demand for years. ICT didn't create nothing, zero. All it did was rebrand. All it did was rebrand. He did a rebrand. That's all he did. He didn't do nothing. He didn't create nothing. Zero. The same thing ICT did, any freaking trader can do it. He can simply say, you know what, this is supply and demand, but I'm going to call it something else. I'm going to rebrand it. It's beginner traders that ICT can fool. People like me, ICT can fool me. I'm not saying he's not a good trader. I'm not saying he doesn't know what he's doing. But the truth is, and he knows this himself, all he did was rebrand. Rebranding, that's all he did. Other blog, just tell me, like even if you're not a trader, even if you've not been trading for years, but you know about supply and demand, and you've seen videos about other blogs. Now, between those two alone, what's the difference? Just tell me. There is no freaking difference. No difference. And even the so-called, because I've seen videos about it, this so-called CHOCH. This right here. ICT calls this change of character. Change of character. The so-called change of character is simply price breaking, for example, a minor low or a major low, or a minor high or a major low. When that happens, all you have to do is just wait for that retest, because there is a chance that price is going to pull back and continue in that direction. That's all it is. It's just breaking a minor low or a major low. Man, I don't know. All it did was rebranding. So, no, I'm not trading ICT concept. I'm trading supply and demand. Nope. Yeah, somebody just asked about it, so I had to explain. Yeah, ICT just rebranded it. That's all. A lot of traders do this too. They just don't want to talk about it, because you sound as if you hate it, but it's not hate. Like, I have nothing but respect for ICT. He's a good trader and a creative person, because it takes creativity for anyone to do what he did. And obviously a good marketer as well. I'm not a marketer, I'm just a trader. If I was a marketer, shit, my channel would probably be at 1 million subscribers by now. You have, in this industry, I'll be honest with you guys, you have traders and you have marketers. Now, some of the marketers, they can trade as well, right? But not as much. They're good at marketing than they're actually good at trading. And you have traders, they're just traders. So you have both marketers and traders in this industry. You pick your poison. You pick your poison. Do you want a trader or do you want a marketer? It's your choice. Yeah, hyperbolic time trader. Some people will see it as hating, but hey, I'm not hating. Just simply speaking facts. London session opens in less than 4 minutes. And we'll see what the market wants to do. Is the market going to open with volume? Or are we going to be here waiting for a while? Wow, you ready?
What am I ready for?
You know, later this morning.
I'm ready. Stop reminding me. Get me all nervous and shit.
Man, trust me. The first time I went live on YouTube, I was nervous as hell. I'm telling you, I was so freaking nervous. As I'm telling you, there's a huge difference between trading on your own or just sending signals and trading live with your audience, whether it's on YouTube or whether it's with your private community. As long as it's not just you, there's a huge difference. It's not the same.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. The more I thought about it over the weekend, I was like, oh shit, man. I don't know about this. I really want to do this.
Yeah, I feel you.
Oh, I'll let you know, Kill the Beat. I'll let you know. I'll let everybody know.
Oh, well, since Faye is back, maybe Faye will help you too. Maybe both of you will do it.
All right, 1 minute time frame, Faye. Let's do it.
Faye probably don't know what we're talking about.
When I was a kid, I was a phenom. When I was a kid, I was a beast. I pull up, then I be gone. See ya. See ya.
10 trades a session? Yep.
See ya. See ya. See ya. Be gone.
Yeah, I'm expecting gold to fall, but we'll see what she does. Because hey, at the end of the day, this market does not care about what you think, how you feel, your opinions. It's gonna do what it wants to do. But I'm expecting it to fall. Well, London is open.
I've been living wild, I'm just going through the motions. Stumbling out the Uber, grab my hand, gave me a notion. Swimming in your water, but it feels just like the ocean. I can't lie, I've really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie. On my mind, I can't lie. Pull you down till you dry. Pull you down till you dry. All the time, he's my mind. All the time, he's my mind.
Okay. We haven't tried that demand yet. We'll see if we're still gonna top it before we get to that supply.
Belly bubble still won't go away. Last year my best man hit a stain with bare face. Now he's gotta help behind the water's cold case. I wake up with pain sometime and never go away. Wonder why I balance to my knees when I pray. In my city gritty, gotta keep it on your waist. Or you might be a victim, they'll find you DOA. I can't lie, I've really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings.
Oh, we got a water level resistance right there. Okay. Five minutes supply.
I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's driving. Tasting with the fade, not the air, my hands rocking. When I link with ball point, you knocking. I'm not the same. Thinking money made me change, nothing else to blame. Bougie stuck up in my way, see
Yeah, gold needs to break this minor low first before I even consider the sales.
I'm just playing in the cut, I got my Vans on. I'm not selfish, I get my mans on. Always greedy since the day I got my first ace. 5'7", but I'm 6'8" when I stand on the money pals, money pals, money pals. Need a money counter, I broke my thumb from thumbing down. Wifey on my line, she told me to dumb it down. Mama on my line, asking how I'm dumbing now. I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's driving. Take it with the fade, not
I'm at 13k win to live account on demo. No demo here, FX Snipe.
on the shit blue to my veins. Take my 2K green or blue, I'm not into games. Focus on your player's face while I'm stacking change. We throw out what you got on your whole crew late. Every time I drop it, knock you make the screw face. I can't stand to be around people who are two-faced. I can't stand to do some business if you're too late. I beat the beat or defeated. I beat the beat or mistreated. I
What's US 100 doing? There's a chance US 100 could fall here. We got a 5-minute supply here with a resistance. We rejected this resistance multiple times here, and also you got a support. You got a support right here, support resistance. So there is a chance we could fall from here, and see if the sales is gonna be worth it here. So you get about 370 points here. See if we have at least a 1-to-1. Okay. So we got at least a 1-to-1 here. We got 300 points SL or 30 pips, and a 37 pips TP or 370 points on NAS. No US30. Should we break 15-minute demand first? On what pair? How much? See if this demand is gonna hold on GJ. Sitting on right here on NAS. Good morning, Elkai. Pips possible setups on what? GG and go. Look at that NAS. Did I say just? Oh, I don't know what you was trying to say, King. Oh. What are you trying to do, NAS? It's just what NAS here, because it's like.
Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, now I put them on. I put myself on stage and say sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, way up. On track, now we gon' way up. Way up, now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Way up, now we gon' way up. Now we going. Money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour.
Yes, it does, everyone, in my opinion.
I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor.
You got support to the left, became resistance.
In my house, don't need no.
Rejection multiple times.
It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just
Plus, NAS has a bearish momentum also.
me and the fam.
Look at the daily time frame.
It's just me and the fam. See my little say that's my little ones go for hours and some hours.
In fact, in my opinion, I think gold and NAS should freaking fall this whole week. Long-term sales, short-term bounce. Or NAS and gold this week. Short-term bounce, long-term sales.
Money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain.
What did I say? I said short-term buys, yeah, short-term buys, long-term sales. This week, in my opinion.
It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam.
No, I don't use pending orders. I stopped using pending orders in 2021. Let me get in when I want to get in.
But we don't do that. I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house, don't need no tour. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam.
How you doing? You're always looking for that liquidity. It's not every time you're gonna get that. You have a higher chance of getting liquidity setups that will need your session because of the volume when it comes to gold and NAS. GJ on the other hand, you could get it also during a London session because because of the volume. If there is no volume, you know that it's going to be hard for you to get a liquidity setup because liquidity comes with setup. I mean, with volume. No, we're not in NAS100 yet. We're still waiting.
We just get to it, we don't gang bang. Lost some friends to the same thing. Keep a low pro when we maintain. Find us in a loss somewhere, kicking back. Find you on computers, type it Twitter facts. You lose a follow, throw a Twitter rant. I lose $1, bet I get it back like a boomerang. My girl likes diamonds, big one shining on a ring. I got 3 daughters, you could bet that they gon' get the same. But they got morals, I'll be damned if they sell it for change. They won't sell out a thing. I lose it all, you bet I get it back by any means. I trust in God won't be $1 that can make me change. I got that power.
Damn, it's just about to get in.
I got that power. I could get anything. Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up.
I'm in.
It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought. Come on. Come on. They try but they can't get rid of me. I keep on coming with energy. I keep on bringing that energy. Energy. I feel on top of the top. I think outside of the box. I won't fall into that box. Energy. Live up to my name. Go wrong, take the blame. Never wanted other fame. I stay away from that lane. I can still wake up and ball out. All in my court, I go ball out. Look at my baby go all out. Energy. Come on. Come on. I could write this in my sleep. Say you don't sleep, but I sleep. That's why you're sleeping on me. Why? Energy. Don't say a word or a peep. Me, I'm just me, I'm me. I keep it true, I don't sneak. Energy. I hit me on the road. Hard as a home when I'm home. Watching my babies get old. That gets me into my zone. That gets me into my groove. You know I'm nice, I'm not rude. Got no time for attitude. Energy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. To the bank like ha 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 ha. Go. 50, hundreds. I get it, I flip it and continue. I've been going dumb, I've been going mental. Going up, I'm on another level. All black clothes like a metal. Little this and this, little Rick and Rick. It's my grandmama, I'm her Nicky Nick. I just wanna love, but I've been hit or miss. I might up and leave, and take a pic. Laugh it to the bank like ha 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 ha. Laugh it to the bank like ha 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 ha. I got it in tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds. I got blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground.
If GJ holds this demand,
Now they know I don't play around.
gonna need this.
Saying now, I just doubled up my flight miles.
That's what I'll be waiting for.
Watch, then I get a
Push up, retest the demand form, and then I'll look to take a buy. If it doesn't give that, then I'm gonna keep waiting on GJ.
and I might double up my network. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. Best cause he could go on top, you know he top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. Best cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. Made a wish, now I'm here now. It's for real now. I got everything I wanted and it's jumping like for real now. Out the mud, just another state boy. Now I'm living like for real.
Jen, how do I would not be nice on GJ? Well, we'll see. Let's see. Let's see if we get an entry here. Yeah, we got a 30 to 40 bit range.
I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. Best cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top
Oh no, Edwin, I'm gonna wait for the retest on GJ.
going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. Best cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down.
Good morning, Nikki. What's happening with us? What do you mean? Talking about NAS?
I'm trying to touch the States this time. 2021.
This is my first trade of this week.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it was the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says chirp, now the
Yeah, I took NASA.
make, keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8-day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could nah. I say the gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, 100s, thousands, millions, billions.
This kind of have no top week here on Trading the View, but it had a top week on my broker.
I've been winning, I'm like, why me?
So we'll see what happens here.
I don't need you, boo. I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Now I got a buck for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways.
If she doesn't fall, I'll be crazy.
Wifey with me told me take a break. I keep going to the pit straight.
Very strong zone here. Previous resistance became support, became support, became support. Now it became resistance over here. Air supply formed also. Yeah, this thing should be falling. Yeah, nice. I said it. You should be falling. Do I think GG can move back to 183, 100 before falling back down? So do I think GG can move back to 183, 100? Yeah, that's actually what I'm expecting, right? If this demand holds, right? So if this demand holds, I actually want it to break, even if we do nothing but grab liquidity. If we grab liquidity above this resistance, minor resistance here, there is a chance that we could continue falling. But because even if we continue falling, I'm not going to take a sell there because we still have a support here that has not been broken. So I'm going to wait and see if we're going to have a retest of the new demand that's going to be formed. And then I'll look to take buys from there if that demand holds. Take it back up to this high at 183, 349. So you just gotta wait. And if it just continues falling, or if we do, break above 183, 100, actually, I'll just wait for it to keep falling and look to take buys at this swing low right here between 182, 600 and 182, 521. I'll look to take buys from there. I don't trade Euro USD. Yeah, even better if she goes down there. Yeah, I agree. Wow. Damn, that's wow. That's crazy. Okay. Well, very quick loss. Very good work on NAS, 300 points. That's 6th loss of this month.
Just picked up some bands, come again. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Yeah, I'm the running man, rapping rubber bands. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Just picked up some bands, come again.
See if we can take one more trade here, and I'm done for one day. Shit, I won't be trading New York today anyways. Yeah, she's not. Yeah, I'm not looking at it anymore.
God damn. Just got back. My internet disconnected. I came back and we got stopped.
Yeah. She should have been following, but hey, it is what it is.
Yeah.
FX Night, how long have you been trading? It's not freaking 300 pips, it's 300 points. 30 pips or 300 points is not 300 pips. Go and do your research, Google the difference between pips and points. When you've done that, come back and tell me. Oh, I'll just help you out, and then you can go do your research. 1 pip is equal to 10 points. So do the maths. What happened to Mobad? I don't know. I don't know what happened to Mobad. Only God knows. And obviously I'm not in Nigeria, so I don't know what's going on. Aside from what I see on the internet.
I just bought new shoes today. I wear my new shoes today. Stepping in my shoes today. Don't step on my shoes today. Happy with an attitude. Please don't think I'm mad at you. I work on my gratitude. Throwing all this cash at you. Swear I cannot do no wrong. Why I don't have much to say. All that talking on the phone, but you're never making plays. Playing phone tag.
Yeah, FX Night is either he doesn't know or he just wants to troll. Yeah. I've told him to Google it, so. Oh, that was what you were asking, Ahmed? Yeah, I marked up a 15-minute supply here on NAS, but also we have a 1 hour resistance here that was previously a support resistance previously. So now the reason why I also took the sell was also because we got back to this major zone support turn resistance, right? And then on a 5-minute we had a 5-minute supply here, which is also a 15, right? That's why I took it. That's why I took it. So and also real quick, because this bearish engulfing candle broke below the minor lows here, right here to the left, and then you had this candle retesting. I might look at this candle close bullish, If we go to the 5 minute, see what I'm talking about here. Let me do this. This right here, breaking this over here, right? Then we had the retest. We had a retest. Then I decided to take the sell as we're breaking the newly formed minor support here, anticipating it to come back down here. But she didn't want to do that, so it is what it is. Will I take the same setup again if I see it? Of course. It just didn't work out today. Yeah, you also got the 30-minute supply right there. The reason why I didn't mark up the 30-minute supply was because, like I said, it rejected multiple times at a zone that was a previous support, previous resistance, and then became a previous support, then now resistance. So I was expecting it to continue because it held there multiple times. And then also from the new supply as well, so I decided to take the sell. So it just didn't work out. I'm missing gold sell. I mean, I said I'm not taking it right now. If it continues falling, then it continues falling. I'm waiting for this to break first. And if it continues, it continues. Anyone can take this if they want to. I'm just not taking it right now.
Me and my bros do road, no keys, no deal, we been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros just got on God, I swear we been at next. I've been on go since a kid, now I got us full of kids. Where I keep winning is sick, keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid, now I got us full of kids. Where I keep winning is sick, keep making that money flip.
The setup I'm looking for, if she gives it to me, that's when I'll take it. If she doesn't, then I'm not taking it. Then there's no trade. For me, you already in the sell, hey, kudos to you. You saw your setup, that's why you took it. I'm waiting for my setup. What do you think I was gonna do? Just because you said, oh, you're in a sell, you 30 pips up, I'm gonna be like, oh shoot, let me jump in too. Nope. If you win, hey, you win. What's my setup? You see it when I take it.
I was always like this, just a white boy from the ends. What I drive is not a let me dance up. 2 phone numbers, no phones on me. I can't trust nobody but my own body. Wish I wasn't nobody, not a nobody. Take my whole body, then I make a carbon copy. I just get the bag, then I whoop. Yeah, I just want the check like a swoosh. Yeah, pop right up the jet to the coop. Don't gotta be all up in the loose when you're the loop. Yeah, count up the loop.
So here on the 5 minute, I would like this 15-minute candle to close bearish though, so we can close. So we can close below below 1927.91. And this candle closes in less than 2 minutes, so next candle that opens, we'll see what the next candle is gonna do. GG is still confused here.
They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just pull it.
Faye, you still here?
When I'm feeling great, give my baby little more, just to spend it. And I'm always on go, I don't hesitate. Used to always know I make it, yeah. I'll be me until I'm in the grave, yeah. See my record, had to set it straight, yeah. I made to kill like 10 times 10. I got wires coming in, some in euros, some in sec, some in dollars, some in yen. I've been trying to keep my zen, keep my cool. Trying to keep the family fed, get my food. They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend.
I'm not taking the sale right now. And like I said, if this thing keeps falling without giving me what I'm looking for, then it is what it is. Yeah, I don't know if this demand is gonna hold. Don't think this is gonna hold. And if it holds, we still gotta wait for what we need. At this point, I just want this thing to continue falling and actually reject this demand down here, which is also the previous swing low, and then we'll have a supply here. And we can take possible buys from this demand down here back to this supply. Don't know where this thing is gonna reject. You can sell gold if you want. Why are you guys telling me to sell gold? I see that's not what I'm looking for too. That's what I'm looking for. I'm just waiting for you to give me what I'm looking for. And until she gives me that, I'm not taking it. Even though I myself, I know that it might give me what I'm looking for, or this thing might just continue falling. And that's fine too, because I've seen that happen multiple times. But based on my journal and what I've seen, I would rather wait for it to break this minor low, give me a retest of this 15-minute or 5-minute supply, and then that's when I will take my sales. And guess what? This thing might just continue falling, but guess what? What do we have over here? What do we have over here? A 15-minute demand. Now, she might not reject, she might not pull back until we come back to this demand over here, and then reject here, pull back to this 15-minute supply, which will be nice, and then that's when I'm going to look to take my sales. Simple. Those of you that are in sale already, hey, that's how you trade, then kudos to you. I'm waiting for what I know makes me money. So if she doesn't give it to me, I'm not taking it. So please don't tell me about no selling gold right now. If you're in anyone's streams, if you're in any Forex YouTube stream, and you're saying sell this, buy limit over here, sell limit over here, if you're not asking questions, or you instead like trying to tell the trader what to do, like, what are you here for then? There's no reason for you to be here. Because I'm guessing you know how to trade, so there's no point in watching. You can just create your own. I mean, obviously you already have a channel, so YouTube start streaming. Start streaming, start live trading on YouTube too. So that's it. This is because of stuff like this is the reason, one of the reasons why I stopped streaming every day on YouTube. To tell you the truth, I would rather, even if the people I'm trading with is just two people, just two, I'm fine with that. I'm doing it peacefully, chilling, listening to music, smoking while trading in peace, not freaking on YouTube.
Sweet Jesus, I just up the price for the features. I can see the fakes in the legions. I begin to assist the pull up at the spot, tires wheel. Got it in my passenger, to grab the wheel. Friends hating, told her get out, Jordan Peele. But she rocks with me cause she real, for real. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
You some of you guys just don't understand. Like, I've seen some of us, in fact, including myself, I've done it before. Just being honest with you guys. Like, as a trader doing this, trying to trade live on YouTube, and you're over here waiting for for your setup to happen, and you're looking at the comments and you're saying, "Oh, sell this, buy this, sell this, buy this, sell this, buy this." If you're not careful, you're just gonna boom, push that button. Like, even if you do that, even if you win, like, that's completely wrong. You should always wait for your setup, whether it happens or not. No matter what happens, if you win that trade after waiting for your setup, then yeah. If you lose after waiting for that setup, you still a win because you waited for your setup. That's what, like, let me tell you guys something. When you trade, right, and no money is involved, no one wants to lose, but when you take a trade and you actually followed your setup, you followed your plan, you waited for your setup to happen, and bam, you take that trade and you end up losing, you actually didn't lose. Like, but if you take a trade and it wasn't your setup, even though you won that trade, you still lose, you still lost, because you're gonna keep doing that same thing. You're gonna keep doing it, and that's not gonna sustain you consistently. You're not gonna get profitable consistently doing that. No matter what the next person or beside you is doing, you focus on what you've been doing. Focus on what has been working for you. Because at the end of the day, trading comes with winning streak, comes with losing streak. You win some, you lose some. That's why risk management is very, very important. DJ has no volume, man.
Go hard, go home, go hard, go home, go hard.
No news today, but JPY bank holiday.
Is that what?
Oh, JPY bank holiday.
Oh, that's today? I thought it was tomorrow. I looked
Pretty
at
sure it's today.
I looked at investing.com earlier.
On
Oh,
Forex
damn it.
Factory says all day today.
And I think it was on the 17th. The calendar was on the 17th. Okay. Yeah, Japan holiday today. Japan holiday today. Okay, so yeah, GG might not do nothing today. But hey, we've all seen when they were switching bank holiday and shit. GG still moved. Yep, exactly, Kidabby. That was what I was about to say, because if Gbpjpy has volume, then DJ can still move. No, it's actually today. Live stories. It's actually today.
shoes today. My baby missed me, wishing it was two of me. And I'm like, if I'm not doing the real deal, I've been up and down Pharaoh. Friend, bro, you did a real kill. Off the liquor and some pills. I've been at it since a church. Tell her baby, make it twerk. Go crazy, go crazy. Bro, pass me the rock. I put another box. Top speed going top. 101 going pop. Getting hot. In the paint, never flop. At the rim like who?
Well, NAS is just annoying today. Let me be annoying today.
It's me, yeah, neighborhood. It's me, yeah, give me some.
Now you can't even take a sell right now from here. You gotta wait for this to be broken
Kids eating off the if I'm not
before you look to take a sell.
down Pharaoh. Friend, bro, you did a real kill. Off the liquor and some pills. I've been at it since a church. Tell her baby, make it twerk. Go crazy,
I just need GJ to break this support. If we start pulling back before we come to this demand, I'll be looking for sales. At this supply. That's supply right there. No, I used to trade it in the 5 minute, but I'm trading it at the 15 minute. I'm not looking at US30 right now.
Money coming gone, let's get straight to it. Been a businessman, it's bigger than music. Eyes on a new board like 8 units. What's for sale, I might buy it all. Don't wanna put in work, now you just wanna ball. Got Louis bags with no money in them. Bigger the lie, the harder they fall. Fast route, for me it's always been a cash route. Back route, spend some money, switch a piece of cash out. Always been a stand-up guy, never back down. Curry's on my team and got some pack outs. Went from MIA to LA on the run like I don't got an estate. I went from LA to the A on the run, you can tell where I stay. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Savior of my city like I'm Luke Cage. This is real life, you're ballin' 2K. I was just a young count, loose change. Now I gotta come into
You lost 2 trades back to back, oh damn.
same team, we the new way.
Yep, stop trading has 2 hits.
What's hers mine and she here to stay. I said, do you love me? Why not though? I know I'm on the go, I'm on the run, girl. For the money, in my bottle.
Just go to sleep and, you know, if you can trade New York, trade New York.
And we don't show no mercy, run the score. Ice on my head, so we got posts. Went from MIA to LA on the run like I don't got an estate. I went from LA to the A on the run, you can tell where I stay. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby.
You gonna wait until 4, Edwin?
Paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag.
Yeah. Yeah, lately, like since 3 months ago, like between 4 and 5, that's when that's where we usually get more volume. In London for the past 3 months. Market conditions changes a lot.
My little babies get whatever they want. If I say it, I mean it, no front. I know, I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll, no drip. I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll, I know. I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll, no drip. I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll, I know.
I'm actually expecting gold to come back to this demand. So I'm expecting gold to do. And then we get our push up from there. I should give you short signal. That's funny. You're looking for short signal. Why not focus? Why not focus on learning the skill set yourself?
Going up, elevate, watch me demonstrate. On time, never late. I grind, celebrate, no pump fake, hesitate. I've been scoring every day. Champagne Perrier since 9-3, been in the box now, stepping up.
All those traders, like, if you're doing what I'm about to say now, you need to either stop trading right now. In fact, just quit. Just quit. If you, now I'm not saying it's wrong to get signals. I'm not saying it's wrong, but if that's your only focus, just getting signals, and you not trying to learn this skill set as well, because there's nothing wrong with earning while learning. I believe in that. You can earn and learn at the same time. If that's what you're doing, then you're good. But if you just focus on signals, because this is what you will end up doing. You're just gonna keep jumping from one signal provider to the next. That signal provider will work for a while if it's good, but as soon as his stuff is not working, maybe he's on a losing streak, boom, you're gonna cancel your subscription. You go to the next one, bam. As soon as that one starts having issue, because I'm telling you, every freaking trader goes through that. Then you cancel it in. You cancel that again. You go to the next one. That's what you're gonna keep doing, and you're not gonna get anywhere. The financial freedom you're looking for, you're not gonna get it. Because you go back to, if you quit when that stuff starts happening, you go back to your job, or you start looking for another job. So if you're just looking for signals, just quit. You're just wasting your money. Just quit. All you're doing is you're just making all these traders get rich off of you. Yeah. That's why with my mentorship community, the only time I send signals, and I send it with the chart as well, is during London session. That's it. And of course, we on Zoom also during London, and we also trade New York session, and we do it live because I believe in the education. The education is what's going to make you get the financial freedom you're looking for. Just getting signals is not going to give you that. But it's obvious that the majority of the people in this Forex community, whether you know how to trade or you don't, they're all just looking for signals. That's why if you go on YouTube, you will see for yourself. You know this. You guys know this. Channels like mine that actually trade live here on YouTube, and also they trade with their mentorship group. They have slow growth. The Forex gurus, the ones with 200k subscribers, 500,000, 300k subscribers. They're not trading live. They're only sending signals because that's what people want. So they're gonna keep growing. But very soon, eventually, they will start saying that, oh man, shit, I need to learn how to do this on my own. And then you see all those big Forex gurus with thousands of subscribers. Even if they're not trading live on YouTube, they will start doing it privately. Very, very soon. It's coming. You wait. Every Forex guru that is not trading live right now, that's just freaking sending signals that sometimes they will already be in the trade, and then by the time they send it to you, you check it, they're already like in 20 pips in profit, and you're still in the drawdown. Very soon, they'll be forced to trade live too. Every Forex guru on YouTube will be trading live. Because when you decided to be a YouTuber and teach, you say you want to teach people how to trade, right? That's what you said you want to do. That's what you said you're going to do. So why are you not trading live? Why are you just sending them signals? Because they're not learning from signals. So you're not being honest. If every Forex guru, and what I'm about to say, I'm overqualified to say what I'm about to say. I might be a small YouTuber, but what I'm about to say, I'm well overqualified to say. Like, if any Forex guru is just freaking sending signals, they don't care. They don't care about you learning this on your own. They just want to make money off of you. And hey, you can keep giving them the money. It's your money. If they care about the education, if they care about giving you guys value, they will trade live. Like I said, it doesn't even have to be on YouTube. You can do it privately. That's fine. But trade live, I don't care how you do it. Because that's how they're gonna learn. They need to learn. No, God is not trying to give us what we're looking for here. Yeah, trading live is hard. Yeah, I know that. That's why I said you don't have to do it on YouTube, because YouTube is toxic as well when it comes to this industry. So you don't have to do it on YouTube. Can you be successful in trading just on learning on YouTube and watching live stream? It's possible, but it's gonna take time. It's possible. I learned on YouTube. Gbpjpy.com and YouTube. That's how I learned. Yep, exactly. Well, give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Yep. Teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. 100%. You see, I'm gonna keep it a buck with you guys. All these big Forex YouTubers, I'm not hating on them. But if you are not trading live, I don't care. I don't care if you have 100 million subscribers. I don't care if you claiming you have all this, you have this mansion, you have multiple cars, you have this, you have that. I could freaking care less. If you're not trading live, you don't have my respect. I don't even see you as someone who cares. No, you might be a trader, yeah, but you're a selfish trader. I said it. But I'm gonna say this again. You can screenshot the recording, and if you follow any of them, boom, let's send it to them. I don't care. I don't care how much you have. Subscribers, bank account, I don't give a shit. Excuse my language. If you're not trading live, you're selfish. Can you see my live account? I've showed it on here before, and I don't have to show that. If this right here is not enough, well, I don't know what to tell you. How much is in my live account? That's my family and my business. It's no one else's business. Yeah, we are this 15-minute demand now. So the GJ trade on Friday, the same thing that some people were saying here. Oh, take the sell, take good sell, take good sell, take good sell. That was the same thing they were saying about GG on Friday. Oh, sell, and gold. We didn't take gold, which we were taking it, we would have lost. And GG, we stayed patient. We waited for our setup to happen. Then we took the sell. I mean, we didn't take it on live, but before I ended the stream, I said, hey, if we get over here, take the sell. And it was a freaking banging trade. So, gold is falling right now. Hey, it is what it is. If she doesn't give me what I'm looking for, then I'm not taking nothing. No trade on it. If she falls, she falls. What? Hold on, Immortal D. So everything I just said, you think I'm talking is negative? You think everything I'm saying is negative? Oh wow. Okay. Well, if that's your opinion, well, it is what it is. Earlier, it was when I was talking about the signal stuff. Hey, I'm only trying to help. If you think it's negative, then oh, toxic. It's the truth. YouTube is toxic in this industry. Yes, YouTube is toxic. Yeah, we can be there, but it is what it is.
It was always in there. Got some little ones too. Go ahead, stand right there. Go ahead, smile for the pig.
Hopefully we will get it. We'll get a good sell here while I'm still on stream. Because if not, I'm still gonna be watching it, and if we get the setup, I'll send it to my mentorship group.
That's my best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend.
From which? No, I'm not in London. I'm in the United States. NGO, if someone goes on a rant like that, they should. Oh, I didn't see it.
Go best friend.
I don't wanna feel it. So I pour up inside my cup and I just.
It's okay, Edwin. So to get over that, go to the 1 hour time frame, or even the 4 hour time frame, right? And then that should do it for you. For example, if you go to the 1 hour time frame, you will see that the 1 hour time frame has a demand here, right? But then you have a 15-minute demand right here. Like I said earlier, this is the 15-minute demand right here that we could reject and then have our pullback to retest this 15 supply or the 5-minute, and then we look to take a sell. We look to take a sell. So basically, this is what I'm looking for. Either come here, then down, or this. We'll get this. Bottom line, I'm waiting for that pullback, the retest. That's what I'm waiting for. Like I said, we could also just continue falling without giving the retest, but I'm gonna wait for that. If it gives it, we take it. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. Bottom line is you wait for your setup. Sometimes the market will give it to you, sometimes it won't. But 7 out of 10 times you're gonna get that setup you want. Yeah, basically what I did. That's why I'm already thinking like, well, we might not get that sell here on stream. We might not get a pullback. But we'll see. Oh yeah, it's just Monday. Shit, we still got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Shit, we still got 4 more days. It's just Monday. Adrian, you trying to scare Wild? Trying to scare Wild now?
Oh.
That Wild, they say you better win. That's about to hit that stop. That should really fall. Price action wise, that should have been fell. Did it tap the 30 minutes up right now? Nope. Wait, let's see. Nah. could tap the 1 hour. You tap the 1 hour supply though. Like, you don't even need to use the 1 hour supply because there is a support right there that became resistance. Yeah. So let me, wow. So during New York session, as long as we do not break this support, just look for possible sales here.
Got it. Yep. We actually got a supply just above here, somewhere up here.
On the 5?
15.
Oh, to the left.
Yeah. I was thinking they might, you know, do liquidity grab here. It's so obvious this highs up here, and then reject this guy up here.
She actually tapped it already in the 30 minute. The supply to the left. Twice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a big one too.
Yeah, that's why I was looking at the 15. It's smaller, but never got up there.
Yeah, that's why I really only, focus on the 1 hour, 30 minute and 15 minute supply and demand zones. Sometimes we go look at the 5 minute also. Yo, we should get a pullback now. The way this previous candle closed. We'll see.
Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she freeze. Photo, please, no photos. Jeez, no, please, no photos. Hit the door and the dome and just.
You wanna buy from here, Adrian? Oh.
New deal to my lawyer. If you're down in my management, I'm just warming up a way till I. Old producers saw the numbers one. Different colors in my life.
Quick jab, don't do it. Remember, we already took a loss on NAS.
Run it up. I used to be quiet and out of luck. Now I move up and move humble cause the hate and the jealousy. My mama telling me count up your blessings. Nowadays, nothing really is.
Quick 1, 2, 3.
I got wifey on bling and she freeze. Photo, please, no photos. Jeez, please, no photos. I keep I put game on layaway. I got paid to play today.
I think I will just focus on Gold and GJ though in London.
I might make it rain today. I got paid off pain today. Thought it'd take the pain away. In my own lane, finger roll.
GJ is breaking here.
Heard your whole team was for sale. Heard it's on the market for the low. Who the realest, we might never know. All this acting, you gon' play a role. Give you the world when they sign you up. Try you out and then they line you up. Ooh. Now you're looking hungry, ribs are touching, need some food. Now you're all on live acting surprised, but you was fooled. Boy, get out the way, it's been a day, now you're old news. Now you got the pen and pad, you're trying to take my moves. Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she freeze. Photo, please, no photos. Jeez, no, please, no photos. Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she freeze. Photo, please, no photos. Jeez, no, please, no photos.
Yeah, queued up it. I think we should get it pre-New York. I don't know.
Turns of four turns of 8. Sleep and get paid. Rich when I wait.
If this candle does not close below this candle, then we could get what we're looking for before. In the next hour, we could get it.
But still get it rocking. I keep quiet with it in my pocket. I keep quiet, moving stuff is silent. Double up. The money I color up.
Yeah, queued up it. Yep.
I swear God been blessing me. You think you been testing me? Don't mean lemons, watch lemon squeeze. Pieces been my recipe. You buy watch and bust them down. Mine is my investment piece. Heard your mixes drowning out. You need to call Trevor, please. I don't fold, I don't fear. Pearly whites, no veneers. Keep it clean, check it's clear. Water clear, P is clear. See the light, you go dear. See the light, I go near. Let me shine, watch me shine. I'ma shine, vision clear. Double up. The money I color up. Double up. The money I color up. I get to it first, I got you mad. I guess that when I get to it last. Get it, then I'm never going back. Get it, then I'm never going back. I get to it first, I got you mad. I guess that when I get to it last. Get it, then I'm never going back. Get it, then I'm never going back. Going up. Get it, then I'm never going up. Going up. Get it, then I'm never going. I get to it out the runway. Different incomes, not one way. Living life on a one way. I knew this would happen someday. You can ask my day one day.
You see this minor high right here? If you break above it here on GJ should go back up to that supply, tap it, come back down, then this demand is not going to hold. We're going to just come right back to that support. And then GJ might keep falling. If it breaks that, man, look to the left. If GJ breaks 182,521, let's get to the 1 hour here. You get all these gaps. You also have a support here, so if GJ breaks 182, 3.77, you got this gap fulfilled coming back down to 181,550 to 181,400.
You feel me? No cash on me. Swipe for a million. Feel me? You shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Ooh yeah, shake it up, 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 shake it up. Don't care, cash got cars. No lean on my cars. Card on my heart. Tattoo on my scars. Tattoo my new scars. My life has been hard. See me in the light. I was in the dark. I wake up, I send it. I wake up, I spend it. I drive Chevy, no Benzes. See me slide, not tenant. My house, yeah, I own that. Your house, yeah, it's rented. Started where the flow at. Now I top the building, yeah. Feel me? You feel me? No cash on me. Swipe for a milli, yeah. Feel me? You feel me? Walk in the door. Shake up the building, yeah. Shake it up, 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 shake it up. Ooh yeah, shake it up, 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 shake it up. On trips I never trip. No. Shoulder gotta chill. Yeah. My best friend, my chick. My best friend gon' whip. My best friend she pull up with a stick. My best friend she pull up, then she skirt off and we dip. Feel me? You feel me? No cash on me. Swipe for a milli, yeah. Feel me? You feel me? Walk in the door. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Ooh yeah, shake it up, 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 shake it up. You can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, vintage frames on my face. Looking like I'm from the deep. These no Cartiers. Pockets deep, 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 bro. I can make it in my seat, bro. Do you, I'm doing me, bro. Making noise, use a beat, bro. Whoa. I press the button and the doors go up like, whoa. That money clip us now, the new now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa. Neighborhood on the scene, neighborhood on the strip. Neighborhood be the name, neighborhood no crib. Neighborhood that's me, neighborhood that's Nick. Neighborhood do the dance, neighborhood do the deal. Okay, thought I'd never make it like no way. I'm the real deal, no role play. My days off, that's no days. No, I hustle hard, young rose. E be the shooter, that's cold case. Those on the deals, that's brose. Got no pay, don't no say. Okay, this the news, tell them read it. Been the one since beat us. Don't sleep on me.
Slow down session looking like tomorrow.
Spending dope for no reason. Got a ball head, Mr. Cleaner. Heard the big bags overseas, then we gon' go. Whoa. I press the button and the doors go up like,
Oh, we got EuroCPI tomorrow. And then USD news, New York session.
I'm about to bust your summer up. Plotting you think that I'm dumb or something. I might lose it all just to run.
Yeah, if this kind of break below here, I don't think we're gonna get what we're looking for here on gold.
Get out the box, photo, get out your word. What you heard? You lit on the first, but you're dead by the third. Getting burned. All for the dollar, might run out of gas now. Get gone. Way back at school, you were known as a class clown. You're wrong. Why you trying to pull it back now? Why you trying to move fast now? You ain't even all that now. I can hear it in your raps now. Posted up for politicking. Getting back to bigger business. I got cheese, let it spinach. I've been running up the digits. Still live simply. 990s on my feet. Who's that? What's that? Who's he? Neighborhood on the scene. Neighborhood on the scene. Yo. Tick tock. Timeless. Fall in. Silence. Take off. Island.
Can you go long the previous low of gold? Yeah, you can, but for me, I'll just rather wait for the sell. I'd rather wait for the sell.
I got blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. That like Tetris, you don't know me. That my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a little playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I was a spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, know they ain't in town. I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch. Watch me hit the top, I might make a TikTok. Left hand, right hand. Catch the latest trend, I might double up my net worth. I've been going up now, see the top going
1927.7. 1927. Oh no. This right here, this is not a breakup structure. It's a minor low.
made a wish, now I'm here now. It's for real now. I got everything I wanted and it's jumping like for real now. Out the mud, just another state boy. Now I'm living like for real now. Ain't nothing, just action with some muscle. I ain't fit 4 days, I just blame it on the hustle. Got these tattoos on my skin. I promise I'm no trouble.
So when we break below 1922, right at that point, if we break and close below 1922, it should head back to this low right here, or this demand. So if we break this structure here at 1922, if there is a supply formed, right now on the 15, we have it up here between 19, we have it around 1928. So wait for a retest of that. And if you go to the 5 minute, if you go to the 5 minute, there is a chance that we're going to have a 5 minute supply here. Just wait for a retest of that to take a sell continuation back to this demand or back to 1960. Yep, yes, kid, a bit swing lows, swing highs. These are bigger structures.
You should come right with me, yeah. Feel me if you hear me sip water like a fish sip. I water to the gillies, yeah. This a new way, this a takeover.
What time am I at this thing? Between 4 and 4:30.
The time and it's not time to clean up the block. Streets been a mess. How can I breathe? Smoke in the air, pure gasoline. I see the news, see what you read. Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we been could've started, but it's never late. Do it for my kids, yeah, let's set it straight. Do it for your kids, gotta set it straight. It's time to regulate. We need change now. We need solar, we need EV in the game now. Make it changes so the earth we know can stay around. Make it changes cause we had no time for playing around. Let's quit the playing around. First rule to me, let's keep it clean.
What time is it for me now? It's 3:48.
Stuff on the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team.
You still in NAS cells?
Keep it clean.
Shit, I don't even have it on here.
Stuff on the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green. New car goes zoom, but it's quiet. You can hear me.
You know what? Let me just switch it here.
That be lying. Perfect, but I'm trying. I'ma get my all till I'm dying. I'm the new Captain Planet. Here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. I'm the new Captain Planet.
Man, where's your stop loss?
On my shoulders while I'm standing. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build.
Well, if you want to stay in this, just
Sweep up the
I don't know what your stop loss is, but just have, because now you have a new resistance here. We rejected multiple times. You can just have it just above this if you want to stay in.
we going green.
Just have your stop loss above this resistance, but I don't know, man. This thing has no direction right now, so there's no direction right now. So I'll just, if you're looking to check NAS, I'll just rather wait, or in fact wait till end one session. We must have had a different stop loss than we did. What? Your stop loss is above the freaking supply? Oh wow. Right. That's a humongous SL. Now, GJ is now reacting to the 15-minute demand right now. We're not even close. I have it at the 30-minute demand right now. So we didn't even tap the 30-minute demand.
No drip this, tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I tell 'em run it up. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turn to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one.
You're actually good today, though.
Put in my hours, send the invoice, and they pay.
I'm kind of jealous already that I wouldn't be trading that wire with you guys today.
Thumb down that check. Drip this, tell 'em run it up.
It should be a good New York session.
But first I tell 'em run it up. I wake up, thumb down that check. No drip this, tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I tell 'em run it up.
Demand the previously reacted from, not the one who matched up.
Those London boys don't
What demand did GJ reacted from?
move, find yourself, they getting buried. Dance with the devil, used to love playing those games. Made some bad decisions that
They already broke above it.
I made a
Broke
change.
below it.
I bet I live up to my name. I wake up,
Yeah, you must be talking about this one. Nah.
tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I tell 'em run it up. I wake up, thumb down that check. No drip this, tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest.
Before that,
But first I tell 'em run it up.
you're talking about this one over here? This must be the one you're talking about. Must be a clean for this one down here. Waiting for this swing low here. We're gonna come down to this swing low. Now the question is, are we gonna reject this swing low or are we gonna break the swing low? That's the question. What you talking about? The demand you're talking about, that 5-minute demand, it should have held when we had this bullish candle flip. If it was going to hold, it would have held. We should head to that swing low. Why does waiting always give you boredom? That's how it is, not just you. But you need it. You need to be patient. You need to be patient if you want to be successful doing this. Like this. Days like this doesn't happen often. Right, when you just have to wait for your setup. You just keep waiting for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. It doesn't happen often. There'll be days where, as soon as the session just opened, like 15, 20, 30 minutes after the session opened, boom, you're in a trade. Sometimes you won't even get nothing. Sometimes you have to wait an hour, 2 hours before you get your setup. So, it depends. Good buy, I'm not looking for good buys right now. So I try to tell people, like, Forex is boring. This stuff is boring. That's why you have to love it. If you don't love it, if you're not passionate about it, you can't see success doing this. In fact, anything you do, if you're not passionate about what you do, it's going to be very hard for you to make money doing that thing. Whatever you do, you have to love it. So Forex is hard, it's boring, man, it's not a joke. Yeah, in model B, yes. It's less boring when you trading live like this, whether it's privately or live on YouTube. It's less boring. NAS looks tempting, man. But in regards to NAS, right now, even though we already took a loss on it, but the way this thing looks right now, it has to break. It has to break this low right here. If it does not break this low, and I'm looking to take NAS, I'm not taking it. It breaks this low, then the same thing we was waiting on gold for, and still waiting on gold for, That's what I'll be waiting for with NAS. This is the setup I'll be waiting for NAS before I check it. Come down, break below this low, retest, and then continue. That's what I'll be waiting for. Because when we took this out, that's when this thing should have failed. She's just tripping today. It happens. It happens. Oh, Gbpjpy, he just mentioned your name. This rapper just mentioned your name. I didn't know you famous, Gbpjpy. His name is NBHD Nick. So this is what we waiting for here on NAS. I said NAS. Gold. That's one setup we're looking for. And this is the second setup. You guys want me to leave it like this, or I should delete it? Just to see what I'm looking for here. Yeah, but the NAS is definitely still tripping. Yeah, I just suggest wait for NYSE actually. That's when when I was like really trading NAS, I was only trading it after NYSE actually as of last year. I was only trading it after NYSE opened. Once it opens, that's when I start looking for trades. And I'm gonna go back to that. Like
It's pretty hard to find. Sorry.
Yeah, if you look at my trading view right now, I don't have NAS on here no more. Like I deleted it out because I don't even want to look at it, because when I look at it, I might be tempted to take a trade on it down in London. So London, I'm not gonna have it open until we trade New York. That's when I'll put it back. What were you gonna say?
Oh, it's pretty hard to find a setup on the 15-minute for NAS on NYSE because, man, it moves a lot.
You think so?
Yeah, like let's say Friday for NAS, it's like there's no 15-minute setup. It's just straight down.
But it was on the 5?
Yeah, there was a setup on the 5.
Well, I mean, we look at the 5 too, so we could look at the 5, knock up the demand on the 5 or a supply, and then we still take it on the 15.
All right.
We've done that before.
Yeah.
but it has to be a high probability demand or supply to do that. What's the difference between NY and NYSE? Okay, so the difference is that NYSE, that's when, right, the stock market opens, that's when the big players are trading. So automatically, that's going to cause volume. That's going to bring volume to the market. So that's the difference. Just volume. That's the difference. I have this talk to a friend who he trades stocks. So he doesn't start trading until 9 a.m. CST. So 30 minutes after NYSE opens, that's when he starts trading. Doesn't look at the chart after that until 9.
Same faces around me and it's hardly friends. Saying how you do it, but you hardly dead. Fibbing on the ground, yeah, you probably heard.
Yep, before our candle opened already.
Locked in when it's game time. Yeah, I'm ballin' like it's game time. Locked in when it's game time. I put in work, couldn't wait for mine. I got 9, couldn't wait in line. Game time, game time.
That's really, this month is definitely not like last month, guys. This month we've already had 6 losses compared to last month. So last month we only had 9 losses. We already had 6 this month.
No more. No more.
Man, so that one, no more.
I'll be honest. Friday, we fucked up. We fucked up. It was unnecessary, those losses.
Actually, the GJ one was okay, but that good one, obviously, the news. So
yeah, and it was crazy because everyone was like talking about the news, and I was like, yeah, but I don't think Gabe gives a shit. He's so confident. He's like, I'm gonna go to the restroom, just take it when he gets there. I'm like, damn, he don't care.
Yeah. So before that happened, we were talking about the news and stuff. I remember, but I don't know, for whatever reason, I completely forgot that there was freaking news. So.
And then if we had waited, we would have taken the sell like right there.
Nah. Because look, it actually did fall. All we had to do was freaking wait. And it actually would have continued falling because it was the news that drove it up. Yep, and we took it at this candle. Yeah, this candle right here. This bearish candle. You wait and see. You see this gap here to the left? God is gonna fill it up. Those of you that are watching on YouTube now, even if we don't take good sales when I'm still here on this live stream, You see, this gap right here to the left, good is gonna fill it up. That's where it's heading to. That's where good is heading to. We just need a retest of this 15-minute supply of the 5 and then look to take the sell.
I'm like a farmer, don't share locations, I'm on the grind. I do my dance, hammer time. 1, 2, 2 step, 1, 2, 2 checks. Long nights I was cold, I'm the one before the bag. Money come and see the flow. What I show is what I own. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. Different record, but it's relevant. Show the L's like I show the wins. Look at me, I'm on. Touchdown and zone. Home run, Barry Bonds. Can't stop, keep going. Look at me, I'm on. Touchdown and zone. Home run, Barry Bonds. Can't stop, keep going. Look at me, I'm on. 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 Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Look at me, I'm on. 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 Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going.
Oh man. It's looking like I'm not gonna take any more twists today with you guys.
This will probably be the least trading you've ever done in the past several years.
Yeah. For sure. Damn, I wish I can show my trading journal for last year. You know that shit. It's taking a lot of trades. This year I'm definitely taking less trades. Like those of you here on YouTube or shit, even if you're on Zoom, if you've been following me since last year, you know, sometimes down London will take like freaking 3. New York will do the same last year. Last year I finished with 73% win rate last year. And so over the past 3 years, my win rate has always been between 70 to 75, like that. Since I became profitable consistently, I've never had 80%, right? 80% win rate for the year. I've not even passed 75. So honestly, if I finish this year with above 75% win rate, man, that would be a milestone for me. And then next year, let's work on surpassing whatever win rate I finish with this year. If I finish with, let's say, 76, next year work on, trying to get 77, 80. But I have a feeling that with this 15-minute, that trading on the 15-minute that we've been doing, I think I'm going to pass 75 this year.
I think next year it's going to be over 80.
Yeah, because we will be starting from the beginning of the year.
Yep.
Yeah. Yep. Look, Ekene said there was a day last year, man, Ekene, there was a day we took 4 down in London, 3 GJ and 1 gold. And sometimes we win all of them. Sometimes we win, 2, maybe lost 1. Win 1, lose 2. Like, that's a lot.
That sounds crazy that you did 3 GJ in 1 London session.
I think we entered or something like that. We got stopped out and then we took it again. And to be honest, it's actually because I used to look at it. I used to look at the chart and I would, I'm not taking any trades. And when I was taking a trade, like different comments like that, I say, well, let's go for another one. Let me wait for another one. And then
that sounds like Red Lady trying to take you into more trading.
And then London was so good last year too. It was good. Like there was always volume. There was always volume. Oh, so it was 1 BE, 2 win on GJ, and gold win. Okay. That's what I was saying earlier, like, man, as a trader, and you decide to freaking be trading live on YouTube, shit, if you're not careful, shit. Some people in the chat, man, if you're not careful, they will make you be like, shit, you know what, maybe they're right. You start overthinking, like, let me look at this again. Maybe I made a mistake. Man, shit. No, man, just do what's been working for you, man. It's like, just like some of them were telling me, sell good, sell good, sell good. What the hell sell gold? Dude, I'm looking for sell too, but not yet. Not yet. Okay. Yeah, I'm looking at DJ. Looks like the volume is kicking in. Yeah. We got 3 sell zone here on GJ. 3. Wow, where's the second one? I have 2 here. Where's the second one? Wow.
What's that?
Where's the second sell zone on GJ?
Above. Above. You've got 2 joined already.
Yeah, I said we got 3. Where's the second one?
Oh.
You didn't see the second one? Yep, there we go. Exactly. That's the second sell zone on GJ. Boom. Right there. The reason why I'm saying New York is going to be good is that if we do not get any entry here, so New York is going to be a good one. So wow, you might get an easy one today.
I hope so.
Because you know, sometimes the market will just give you a freaking beautiful setup, and you're like, man, this setup is just so freaking beautiful. I'm taking this. So New York session might be one of those days today. You've never waited for any pair like today. Like I always say, successful traders are disciplined traders. And the word discipline when it comes to trading doesn't necessarily mean just discipline. It involves other stuff. It involves patience. It involves your emotions. It involves you having a trading plan. It involves your risk management. It involves a lot of stuff. While Edwin is asking you a question.
I don't plan on us eating no pineapples today. I don't want us all to blow our accounts.
Don't worry about it. I mean, probably you're gonna have at least less than 50 pip stop loss on gold.
I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side.
NAS is going to kill you. Shit, what's going on? What's going on with NAS?
Stop.
Man. I mean, those of you that are still in NAS, like, I don't understand why you guys are still in NAS. Right. You can really tell that NAS is just playing around today. It's playing too many games. Playing too many games.
Oh, you know what's crazy with NAS? On Friday, he said that there was a sell setup, but you know, you just weren't interested in it.
Yeah.
If we had taken that sell setup, it never would have stopped us out if you held it all the way till today. You'd be like 300 pips up.
Oh, wait a minute. Let me see. Yeah, I remember we were talking about it down in London on Friday.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh yeah, right here. And I said I wasn't interested in it because of
To the left.
this demand right here to the left. Yeah, I remember. Yeah. Sheesh. He continued
Crazy
falling
drop.
even though in New York. Yeah, crazy drop. And today the setup that I actually liked didn't work out.
I can't believe they ran stops because that candle, oh,
Oh,
that candle on NAS, it retested perfectly and then broke it, you know?
yeah. That's one of those days.
Yeah.
Oh. Man, come on, gold. Just go back up and retest. So the NY session is either you guys are going to get this possible sells or the possible buys.
Oh, Ahmed, are you are you still in the buys? And where did you buy from?
I don't know, it probably closed on Friday, or is it still in the buys?
I don't know.
Well, even if it's still in the buys, you probably secured some profit already.
Yeah.
Because it has went over 100 pips from the entry. Especially Friday alone. Especially Friday alone, because on Friday the thing started from Asian session. And it was already in buys at that time during the Asian session. I used to be an intraday trader. I was leaving my trades for at least 2 days. I was ready. I used to have multiple TPs. I'll have my first TP will be like between 20 and 30 pips. Second TP 50. Third TP between 80 and 100. And sometimes it would take like 2-3 days if it was gonna get to TP.
That sound like Forex pairs?
Yeah. GJ, that was trading most JPY pairs. GJ, AUD NZD JPY, CAD JPY once in a while. The only one I wasn't really touching was USD JPY. But this day trading stuff, I just like it better.
Get to sleep at night peacefully.
Yep. Once I make my money or I lose, I don't gotta worry about nothing else. I just gotta show up the next time. I prefer day trading. a swing trader, I would rather be an investor. And that would be freaking the stock market. For example, if I want to invest in Tesla, I'll just wait for Tesla to dip. That's why I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be doing it on my own. I'm gonna just wait. If I'm looking to buy Tesla, I'm gonna just wait until it gets to a freaking high probability demand, and boom, that's when I'm gonna buy and I'm gonna hold. Once you get back up to a what do you call it, and I'll be doing it on a higher time frame, not lower time frame. And once it gets to a higher time frame supply, boom, that's when I will sell, make my money. Like the daily and 4 hour. Zoom. I'm gonna watch GJ here, which is a possible reduction at the supply here. I'm gonna watch it. If I see anything, should I send it before New York open? The same thing on Go. Alright, one or the other. So I will talk to you guys later. YouTube.
Thanks, Abe.
God bless you all. Thank you guys for hopping on. All my links is down below in the description. And I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Real quick though, before I leave, GJ, like I said, you have this 3 possible sell zones here, 15-minute supply, so watch out for that. And then you look for sales from there. If we do reject, this is the first supply right here. If we reject from there, then you can look to take sales. The same thing with growth, 15-minute and 5-minute supply. You reject one of them, you look to take your sell also. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Peace.
Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't